this be an introductory session. In this video, I will be discussing few facts about operating system which make this subject as seminal, or you may say prime. In our daily life, we usually come across many electronics gadgets, items. We use electronic items to make the task easy. For example, like ATM, we use ATM to dispense the cash or to deposit the money. For like mobiles, we use mobile to talk or to message. All such hardware units need some interface or medium to receive commands, or you may say instructions, from the user and to send back the meaningful outcome. So here operating system is such a media or medium that provides such interface. One can see operating system in two contexts. First is as a subject and second is as a content, where content means topics in the said subject. As a subject, operating system is mandatory part of computer science engineering syllabus for the undergrads. This has also been asked in many PSU examinations under technical subjects. This has been considered prime for GATE examinations, specifically in India, that serves as entrance exam for few type of government jobs and also serves as prerequisite to admission in postgraduate courses in computer science engineering. If you are a computer science engineering or electronic student and going to appear in some software company for the profile like software designer, developer or a tester, then you may expect 4 to 8 questions from the operating system in your final technical round. All these subsections demands a thorough knowledge of theory as well as numericals. For the said subject, there are many books that one may consult. Few prime ones are as follow. First one is Silbersheets and Galvin. Second is Operating System Internal and Design Principles by William Stellings. Then we have Operating System by Dietel. And if you really want some extra insights in the subject, then Opting Operating System, a concept-based approach by Dhamdare is a good choice. There are few facts that make this subject as significant. The very first is this provides understanding related to the fast processing of a multi-threaded program when got executed on a multi-core machine. It provides more clarity with respect to the memory requirements, the memory needs while running a specific software, and the fact which says that machine with the 2 GB RAM is faster as compared to 1 GB RAM. This we usually say at the time of buying a laptop or a desktop machine too. This subject gives more insights related to the structure of a disk, that means hard disk, in context of its partitioning, the defragmentation and providing access rights. Also, the subject will provide clarity regarding the role of an operating system in program execution, where program can be either C, C++ or a Java code. This subject will tell various building blocks and their interactions with each other, which help if someone want to develop one's own operating system. Also, the subject will let you know about the reason behind the faster reopening of an application that user has recently closed, when it get compared with the scenario where the same application has been opened first time. In my videos, I will be focusing on the theory as well as numerical in a simple and understandable way, which in turn will help you to face routine examinations in college, PSU examinations, GATE exam, and specifically the placement part. Additionally, I will be mentioning few real life examples to explain the concepts related to operating system in a simple way. Although I cannot comment on the importance of any particular section or topic from the subject, but I would like to say that definitely there are 4 sections which are always favorite to any interviewer from any software company. Therefore, I believe that students should focus more on these topics and put a religious efforts to solve the numericals related to these specific 4 topics.